Top 3 Best Pressure Washers. Name bar 3. Westinghouse WPX2700. The Westinghouse WPX2700 earned high marks in our field tests with its combination of cleaning power, maneuverability, relatively compact footprint, and competitive price. It also costs hundreds less than the next best gas pressure washer we tested, and it delivered a nearly identical cleaning performance. This gas-powered washer delivers ample water pressure for cleaning stains from the driveway, but not so much as to risk damaging a car's paint job. Name bar 2. Stanley SHP2150. The Stanley SHP2150 was the best electric pressure washer we tested, offering an excellent bang for the buck. In our tests, it cleaned as well as the gas-powered pressure washers. The soft, flexible pressure hose was easy to maneuver during setup and cleanup, and it provided good reach while cleaning. The 6-inch wheels are a bit undersized for working on unpaved surfaces, but this is a good choice for a variety of driveway projects. It pushes 1.4 GPM at up to 2150 psi, which is great for all-purpose jobs like washing the car, deck, or sidewalk. The unit weighs just a little more than 25 pounds. Name bar 1. Karcher K1700 Cube. For quick and efficient cleaning of mildly dirty items such as house windows, car exteriors, vinyl siding, and patio furniture, check out the Karcher K1700 Cube Electric Power Pressure Washer. The Karcher is a 1700 psi electric pressure washer with a 1.2 GPM flow rate. 3 quick connect spray nozzles, an onboard detergent tank, and convenient on/off foot switch make it strong enough and versatile for tackling light-duty cleaning chores. The 20-foot power cord and 20-foot pressure hose offer plenty of reach for washing second-story windows. Considered one of the best electric pressure washer options available, this lightweight unit is built like a toolbox, with a carry handle on top. In our tests, we liked the amount of cleaning power it offered for such a compact size. This would be an excellent choice for RVer and anyone who is light on storage space.